Duane fixing the vacuum cleaner. Putting together a vacuum cleaner. He's using keys. How's it going so far, pal?
Are you done Vegas then? Are you going out after?
The veins in his forehead are popping out.
You better get away from me, or I'm gonna kill you.
Tonight I have a date. Because I don't want Sean freaking out, I'm telling him I'm going into work instead of going out with my friend Orlando.
Are you mad?
I can't be
You
honest
better get that away.
Are you mad? This is all the catastrophe he caused.
Where Amber is telling me she's going is actually where Amber is going. So, decided to put a little app on my phone. What it does is it takes any sent or received text messages from your phone.
You know, you can mess up the keys like that.
To a specified Google account. Which
Do you want to go to the hardware store and pick up a Phillips head for me?
Are you mad?
I'm asking you a question.
Huh?
Do you want to go to the hardware store and ask for a Phillips head screwdriver?
Sure.
Text message received.
Oh, you do for real?
Mm-hmm.
Get dressed.
From Orlando saying I'm here.
I see. I hear the frustration in your voice.
Go put some gloves on.
Nobody at your mom's house got a Phillips screwdriver?
They do, but I don't.
We could get one at my house tomorrow. Just stop it. Put it away. Look at you. You're getting mad.
You the one that wanted this put together. Get that camera away from me. Get it away from me.
Are you mad?
Get it away from me.
He has weapons.
I will stab him.
Are you threatening CJ? You could have just waited till tomorrow. Well, no. You wanted to use. This is all he used. He used this. Keys. Where's the toenail clipper at?
Get away from me.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Get out of my house tonight.
Put it together. It's okay. Say woosah.
No, when you get off.